Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to edit a sent email within your Gmail account, I'm going to show you exactly how to get it done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are in Gmail, and what you want to do is just click on Compose. You want to send a mail over here. So let's just say hi. Our subject is hi, and we are going to send it to ourselves. Let's send it to ourselves. All right, so this is what we do. We're going to go and click on send. Right on the bottom left, you'll see there's a very quick message, and it says undo. Now it is undoing. You'll now see that this message has popped up again. Okay, this means that it hasn't been sent, and you can now edit this message and then resend it. Now, 5 seconds is really, really quick. There is a way of increasing that increment. Let's go to the top right-hand side. There's the gear icon. You can go into settings, and then you'll see quick settings and see all settings. Now, in here, you'll be able to change under general, the undo send section. It says send cancellation period, and then you can actually make this 30 seconds. Now, I know from 5 seconds to 30 seconds is quite a bit, but still 30 seconds is not a lot. However, this is what Gmail provides for you, so this is the way that you'll have to do it. All you now need to do is go all the way down to the bottom. We're going to go and click on Save Changes. And now, when you send an email, you will have up to 30 seconds to recall it and then edit that email again. I hope this was helpful.